Si Haku ba nagko-call? Or si ano? Basta si Give Me. Wait, I'm gonna mark their caller. I'm waiting for Give Me. Yo, spread southwest pa. Baka ma-engage kayo ng bomb. Dismount na sila. They dismounted. OC everyone. I see Give Me Ay shit, mali na mark ako. That's their caller Yo, careful. Perma, wait. Everyone wake up. Perma engage on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perma engage on the gate. Come back. Defend. Full event. Mamamatay si Give Me. Mama. Yo, walk out. Reset your cooldown. Walk out. Reset your cooldown. Walk out. Yo, catch him. East side deep. Get ready. East side deep. Keep walking. Just walk. Yo, occult. East side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side. Ay, come back. Yo, kill this tank. Come back. Tanks. Matay si Give Me sa start.
Ano yun?
Hindi ka na. Nagre-regale lang naman sa katabi.
Ba't mo kinain parehas?
Sa'yo siya ni Jera.
Careful baka mabama. Pa-invest sa party ko si Mario. Thank you.
Kasha and Royal, pareho.
Right now we have 40 people. Tama ba? Yung man top. Pa-scout muna sila. I don't know how he died, pero...
Babalik na sila.
Okay. Okay, listen dismount again. Yo, get ready to headbutt We win the headbutts dapat. Defenses, enigmatic on headbutts, importante ka Jema. Please.
Dismounted na.
Nag-uusap mo.
Okay. Good. Yo, Hodge engage muna tayo. Wait lang, nasan ka? Mamarkan kita. Yo, we do a Hodge engage first, okay? Pa-mute ko sino yun. Resty, pa-mute muna. Ingay mo. Hodge engage the east side wall. East side wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side wall. Come back fast. Reset your cooldown fast. Yo, defenses front. Northeast 5, headbutt. 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. Come back agad. We miss. Come back. Fail, heal front. Come back. How many percent is the gate? 48% on the gate. Yo, everyone spread southwest side. Spread west side. Yo, Death Tanks, get ready to hold them. We're gonna counter engage, okay? Or we're gonna headbutt. Get ready. Spread kayo. Huwag kayo magpakulong. Gate's about to break. Ready. Hold lang. Spread, boys. Spread. On the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate. Come back. Reset your cooldown fast. Yo, reset fast. Yo, palukos mabilis. Reset fast. Yo, step up. We're gonna headbutt northwest. Get ready. Hold. North. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North. Come back. Yo, ready? Poppy pots. Defenses. Full defend. Come back. Yo, come back. Get out of the gate. Defenses. Heal up. Come southeast. Yo, pa-cleanse naman. Marami tayong cleanse. Yo, kill this guy. Kill this guy on the inside. Okay, kill this guy inside. Full engage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full engage. Kill him. After yan, kill him. Yo, watch the northwest. They're breaking the gate fast. Kill him. Okay, now spread. Yo, I need a def tank watching my northeast.
50%.
Yeah, I need a def tank watching my northeast. Yo, spread. Come southwest. Okay, come inside. Next gate. Ready defenses. Help my people back. Yo, come to me. Get ready. Wait. Ready. Spread. Yo, regear fast. Si Otto lang ba namatay doon? Hold. I'm gonna fake only, Yo, everyone step up. I'm gonna fake only. Okay, hold. Get ready to headbutt. North. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full headbutt, 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 full headbutt. Good headbutt there, good headbutt there. Now fully on everyone comes out. Cleanses guys, cleanses, you're all stuck there. Why you... Paano kayo nasa stuck kung marami tayong cleanses? Healers, can you cleanse? Now, come northeast. We have engaged, right? Come northeast now, come northeast now. Northeast, get ready. 5, east, 4, 3, 2, 1. East now, east now, east now, east now. Now come back, kite back, kite back, kite back. Full kite, full kite, full kite. Defend now, defend now, defend now. Defend now. Keep, come inside, come inside. Come south, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest. Come southwest. You're careful sa gate. Defend on the gate. Come back, guys. Come back fast. Come back fast. Heal north side. Heal north side. Yo, step up now. 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 North side. North side. North side. Step up now. Step up now. Step up now. Step up now. North side. 5 deep. 4, 3, 2, 1 deep. 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 Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Ang bagal ng locus.
Fail, fail,
Come back. Come back.
taas.
Come back. 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 Fast. Come back. Fast. Come back. Fast. Come back fast. Ang bagal. Ang bagal. Ang bagal. Ang bagal guys. Ang bagal. Ang bagal. Baklens ng harap. Guardians. Come south. Follow me. Follow me. Heal Bangfish. South. Hello healers. Wake up. Yo, I need you guys to act faster. Come on, faster, faster. Cleanses. Yung mga types na yun, that full send natin. Everyone, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Come back. Ready defenses, ready defenses. They're gonna look here. Reset your cooldown fast, Reset fast, okay? Tell me if you have cooldowns already.
Heal yung
Yeah.
tito.
They have.
Yeah.
Step up now. West side deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side. Now spread. Come southeast. Come back. Yo, come back fast. Inside the gate. Ready, defend on me. Come south. Get back first. Ba't namatay si Afro sa kabila? North side over the wall, get ready. Hodge, get ready outside Wait, i-pull mo sa north North side, over the wall. 5, over the wall. 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall. Come back. Help front. Reset your cooldown. Yo, tanks, you're too far away. Wayne, careful. Zion, careful.
West gate. Sara na Northwest gate.
Yes, I saw. Reset. Okay. They're mounting up again. Yo, regear guys. Come back. Caller dead. Sige, just come. Yo, no need. Let them come back.
Color nila ulit.
Loot.
Please loot. Yo, get ready they're still gonna come back So my rig is, make sure to try to come back. How many people dead party 2? How many people dead?
Dalawang missing.
2.
Dalawang
Okay.
missing.
Regear fast guys.
Dalawa.
Regear fast. Listen, we're now fighting without gates. So here's what we're gonna do. We can sustain enemy brawl. But enemies not playing brawl. So I have their color marked. Make sure stay away from him. Spread around enemy Zerg and get ready for engage, okay? So my defenses just get ready. Baka mag-fake sila. Pero as much as possible, if they engage inside, we're gonna counter-engage. So I need people to ready their pots. Ready full defend, and then ready just full engage. So basically, DPS, mag-spread kayo around. Huwag kayo sa gitna mag-stay. Okay?
Balik na sila.
They're coming back, okay? I need one def lang to tell me what's happening sa west side ko. They're probably gonna come west side, okay? We stay in the middle, Make sure mag-spread agad kayo. Mga healers ko, please, guys, use your cleanses to help the... Bakit kasi kayo naka-cleric cowl? There's a reason why I'm telling you guys to use Assassin Wood. I'm telling you to use Assassin Wood because you need the cleanse, man. You cannot wear cleric cowl because we're absorbed. Come south, come back. I'm here. Follow the crown. Hello.
So, ina sila
Dami na
first.
cleric cowl.
Ina sila.
North side over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North side over the wall. Come back. Reset agad. Don't trash talk. Fix fight to Well, technically not fixed fight, pero no. They're gonna step up get ready to headbutt Death tanks, get ready to walk in deep Hold lang. Step up, I'm gonna fake only. Fake only. Hold on. Come back. Ready defense. Defend on me. Everyone, step up. We're gonna go deep northwest. Sa stairs. Deep northwest. Walk in. Deep northwest. 5. Deep northwest. 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep on me. Now come back. Kite back. Death tank peel. Full peel. Hold them. Defend now. Full defend. Come back. Sige, reset your cooldown, reset your cooldown. They're still gonna come. How many seconds cooldown? How many seconds cooldown? How many seconds cooldown? How many seconds? Tell me. Get ready. Look at west side. Oh, dude. Look at west side. Deep west side. Walk up. Deep west side. Outside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Outside. Hit outside. Come back. Kill everything inside. You kill everything inside. Yo, defend now on the gate. Kill everything inside. Yo, careful. Wag mo na kayo lumabas. Come inside. Kill everything inside. Careful, defend on the gate. Everyone, step out now. Dismiss. Step out now. Hold them. Full hold. Yo, cleanses. Everyone, southeast on the GA. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Nice one, backfish. Good. Now come back. Yo, reset cooldown. Spread. They're gonna come. They cannot come. Defend now. Defend everything. Now full heal and walk. Southeast. Hold them. How many seconds?
Up.
Everything inside. On the death tanks. On the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the crown. Kill the death tank side. Okay, kite back first. Everyone kite back first. Come back agad. It's fine.
May looter, oh.
Nagbabang sila.
Saan? Southwest?
Oo, sa labas.
Sige. Alam mo ba, yung mga moments na ganun? Pananggaling ka sa labas. Yo, guys, I'm outside. Can you guys come back? Full engage on that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. They're gonna break the gate na. They're gonna get 23% on the gate. Come back inside. Why are you guys outside? Come back. Over the wall, ah. Southside shallow. 5. Nah. Cancel. Sige. We have CD pa. Wala tayong time. Yo, mas malaki yung natin dito. Bangfish, ready ka sa likod. Pupushin ko to. Sa southeast ka manggaling.
Sige.
Defend now. Everyone, step up. Southwest deep. Southwest deep. 5. Southwest deep. 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest deep. Cleanses, please. Cleanses. Now, everyone, come back. Come back. Cleanses. Mag-engage sila sa choke. Cleanse the people. Come back inside. Reset. Now, spread. Careful. Defend now. Help Gerald. Shallow on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on the gate. Okay, come back. Yo, longbow, you're missing. Hit on the clump. Reset your cooldown. Yo, get ready to push this, ah. Bang, ready ka na?
Ready.
Lahat sila nagsistay sa southwest sa taas mismo, ah. Yo, defend now. Everyone walk out. Everyone walk out. Cleanses. Inside. Look at me. Everything inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Kill inside. Oh, kite back. Peel. Cleanse in the front. They're walking up. They're stepping up. Defenses. How many seconds?
Heal near.
Come inside. They're engaging. Defend now. Counter. West side. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Oh, kite back. Patayin nyo tong tank sa loob. Kite back. Patayin nyo yung tank. Kite back agad. Kite back. Come middle first. Yo, careful west side. They're stepping up, ah. Make sure you have cooldowns. Death tanks. Walk in. Control their Zerg. Shallow. Marlika. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Now spread. They're gonna try to walk in. Now spread. They're gonna try to walk in. Now spread. Just spread east side. Reset your cooldown. They're gonna engage. They're looking. Full defend. Everyone, get ready. West side deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side. Now. Now come back. Heal me in front. Heal everyone in the front. Come back. Yo, mag-space muna tayo. East side. Get out of the choke. Get out of the stairs. Space muna. Kill this tank inside.
Patay ako movie, ah.
Okay, sige lang. Spread southeast, spread southeast. They're gonna look, they're looking. Shallow on the tanks, everyone. Defend now. Defend. Fake. West side. Wait. Inside on the tanks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the tanks. Padelete, please. Padelete ng tanks, man. Now spread. They're walking in. Callers walking in. Spread lang. Don't run away. Just spread. Find a safe spot. Okay, find a safe. Caller on the west side. Reset your cooldown. How many seconds? Inside. 5. Everything. Headbutt. 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything inside. Inside. Full headbutt. Now heal up. Now heal up, guys. Heal up. Reset your cooldowns, ha. Heal up. Okay. Yo, brawl everything inside. Brawl inside. Brawl the people inside. Help my people at the back. Careful west side. You're too close, ha. Careful. Spread. They're gonna look. Spread, guys. You're too close. They're looking. Defend now. Counter. Full counter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full counter. Now spread east side again. Heal up on everyone. Cleanses, okay? Heal up. Reset cooldown and heal up. Okay, spread. Brawl. We're good. We're healthy. Yo, the next engage is gonna be a headbutt. Get ready, Pats, Yo, look at the caller in the middle. How many seconds cooldown? Everyone, get ready. Oh, ready. Hold on. Copy pots in the middle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in the middle. Full event. Now heals on everyone, okay? Now brawl. Heal up on everyone. Maraming low sa kanila. Okay?